I want to start out this video saying that some people have bards that sing the tale of, their adventures. We have Ryu, and Ryu makes decals of just our adventures, and he has released a free pack, which I'll have the link in the description. There's some really cool decals. I actually went ahead and re-rendered the thumbnails to make them actually a little bit more poppier for the purposes of this demonstration. However, I am proud to be using these and just slapping them around. It's just a fun time to be had, and just letting you know that it's a thing to just go and give a try. So with that off the screen, we'll press T to bring up the T panel. And the first thing I want to point out with this hops is that by hovering over the button, it will now tell you the version to the underscore, which this is still 985 underscore 24. And if you hover over the active tool, it will also give you the information on the version number, so that way you know exactly which version number you have installed. If you press Q in the HardOps Q menu, it will also have that information at the top of your Q menu, and if you press Shift Q, because you're one of those Pi people, it will also have it at the top of your Pi menu. So just for starters, you can also expand on the button, and just the first button, just clicking on the version number, will give you the about information of it, as far as the authors, the specific version, the version name, just in case you want to just display credits on the screen. It seemed like credits was one of those things that we probably should have made at some point, so I'm proud to announce that that's now as a part of HardOps. So this update is now out now, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.